Welcome to MBK Maschinenbau. Since MBK was established in 1961, the company has developed to be one of the leading producers of reinforcement welding machines and equipment for the building and concrete industry. Made in Germany, MBK produces exclusively in the Kisleg facility on a production area of around 10,000 square meters. More than 1,100 welding machines have meanwhile been sold to over 60 countries worldwide. Our quality management not only guarantees the highest quality class of our products, but also the competent administration and logistics of all orders. Thorough analysis of our customers' requirements and detailed consultation are the basis for successful cooperation. The machine drawings, designed by highly qualified engineers, are developed according to the latest safety standards and achieve 100% market maturity. Our machining equipment and highly qualified employees are a prerequisite for the best production results and high quality standards. The service provided by MBK is far from over after delivery, installation and intensive training on the products that we manufacture. MBK can naturally take over maintenance responsibilities and will give you uncomplicated support. Strong connections. More info at mbkkisleg.de